Well, people, it's finally here. My brand new truck. I hope. I ordered two, so I don't know. So here we go. It's an unboxing. I know, another unboxing. But this is it. Oh, so far, paper. Just throw it away. The bill. And yes, it is. Oops, sorry, out of focus here. Here it is. The Maisto rockcrawler from Amazon.ca. It's about 70 bucks. So let's get into it, open it up, and check it out. Of course, ties. Nice and secure anyway. By the way, my wife is doing the video recording today. Yay, hands free. Here we go. Sorry about my elbow in the way. Let's see. Oh yeah. Good and secure. Just in time too. I just finished my rock crawling course outside in my yard, so I will be doing another video on that as well. The test run. Antenna cover, empty box, and voila, here it is. Wow, check out that articulation. Way cool. Nice shocks, good and soft for crawling. Tires are nice and soft. I'll probably be changing these out though, just because. And my little tiny antenna or remote control. Anyway, it's the first one. And that's pretty much it. It takes 6 AA batteries in here and a little 9-volt battery in here, or 2 AA's. I'm not really sure yet, but we'll see. But anyway, I was hoping for the black one, but the green one's nice too. So till then, signing off, Muddy Water, and that's it. Thank you.